Installing the solar panel for iblinds is simple. Snap the included hanging mount clips onto the back of the solar panel. Make sure they are not on the front where the solar cells are. Take the power cable and insert it into the solar connector on your iblinds motor. Then place the motor into the blind's headrail. Hang the solar panel from the back panel of the headrail. Reinstall your blinds into the mounting brackets. Make sure your iblinds solar panel is behind the blinds with the solar cells facing the light outside your window.